Your Spotify probably looks like this, plain, boring, and basic, the same as everyone else. But what if I told you that in a few minutes we can make Spotify look like this? This is called Spicetify. It lets you customize the Spotify desktop app with themes, extensions, custom apps, and full marketplace. Before you install Spicetify, make sure you're using Spotify desktop app from the Spotify official website. Do not use Spotify version from the Microsoft Store because Spicetify may not work properly with that version. If you don't have Spotify installed, open your web browser and open Spotify official website. Then click download on top right and press download. Then download Spotify to your computer. After downloading Spotify, go to the official Spicetify website. The links are in the description. Then click Get Started. From there, choose your device, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Spicetify usually installs using commands, so you copy the command from the website and paste it into your terminal or PowerShell depending on your operating system. If you're on Mac, open the terminal. If you're on Windows, open PowerShell. And paste the command. And then wait for a few seconds. Then type in Y in your keyboard and press enter. And then wait for a few seconds. After install is done, you can open up Spotify. Open the marketplace in the top left corner. Here we can see the extensions, themes, snippets, and apps that we can download. To add AdBlock to Spotify, we have to go to the search menu in the extensions tab and search up AdBlockify. Then press on AdBlockify extension and press install. And press reload now. Now there won't be any ads in your Spotify, so you can listen to your music ad-free. To customize Spotify, go to the themes panel and select a theme you like and press install. I'm a fan of the Vespa theme. Now Spotify looks better than our original app. These are a couple of options of themes I can download from the marketplace. There's also many other themes you can download from the marketplace. Now your Spotify can look way cleaner and more personal instead of the boring default version. And also have no ads in Spotify. If you like the content, please like and subscribe.